Hi everyone, it's time to make zucchini with cottage cheese. You need this: zucchini, cottage cheese, parsley or cilantro, garlic, cheese, and 1 egg. First, preheat the oven to 360 degrees. Prepare a mixing bowl for the filling. Add cottage cheese, egg, parsley or cilantro, minced garlic, salt and black pepper. Mix all ingredients for the filling together. Cut zucchini in half lengthwise. Use a tablespoon to remove the center of each vegetable. You can use the center from the zucchini for the vegetable pancakes. Prepare parchment paper and use unsalted butter. Transfer zucchini onto baking sheet and begin spooning the filling onto the zucchini with our cottage cheese cream. Finish with shredded cheese on top. Put the zucchini in the oven for 40 minutes until the top will golden brown. After, get the stuffed zucchini halves out of the oven and serve them with the sprinkled chopped dill on top. Zucchini boat is such a beautiful dish, fresh and yummy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and follow. I will share new simple food recipe with you.